Hello guys, welcome to my channel Coding Demystified. Today we will learn how to install Postgresql on your system. So first of all you need to go to Google and type in Postgresql. You will click on this first link. It will land you to the website of Postgresql. Click on this download button which will take you to the various download options. Depending upon your operating system you can choose any box. So because I am using Ubuntu, which is Linux, so I will click on Linux. Now here I will get various distro options. I will choose Ubuntu. Now you can scroll down and copy this apt link. Sudo apt get install. Now add sudo and copy and paste that. It may ask for you the password. So let's wait for some second. It will download something and it will install it. So I think it is now installed. Now we need to check. So for that you need to run this command for checking. Let me increase the font size. It is psql -version. As you can see that I have successfully installed Postgresql 12.6 on my machine. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you.